All right, we're back at it again. We're doing another Ducati lost key replacement. Here we go. This one's going to be, let me look at my paper, 2017 Ducati 1200R Monster. So basically, customer sent the dashboard initial. No, wait, I'm wrong. Customer dropped off this dashboard. They're right here in Georgia. They're about, I think, 40 minutes away. They dropped off the dashboard, dropped off the ignition. So basically, I'm going to make a lost key replacement. First thing I'm going to do is decode the lock, figure out what the cuts are, cut a key, make sure it's turning nice and smooth, then I'm gonna program the chip data. For those of you that call around and you'll call other people and they say, go to the dealer, pick up some keys, don't do that with me. I don't need the dealer keys. The dealer keys will not work for me. I don't work that way. Those chips in the dealer keys already are pre-coded with data. I need to use my own keys because I need to write my own data to make it work the way it should. I have a bag. I keep usually 50 to 100 Ducati keys at all times, so don't worry. I have keys. I have chips. I'll make it happen. So I'll come back in a little bit. That's about it. All right, we're back. This puppy's done. Here you go. Let me see. This is going to be, I stamped it, key number 1. Let's get it right. Where we at? We at park, unlock steering, key 1. Do that again. On, off, push in, park, done. So both keys are working nice and smooth. Both keys have chips in them, and then both keys are ready to rock and roll. Right now, this is plug and play. You may have noticed I taped up the dashboard. I don't like to add any additional scratches or anything to the dashboard. So as soon as I get them, that's what I do. I tape them up. And when you get them back, I'll probably remove this. But for now, when I'm working with it, I tape them up. That's it. If y'all need my help, give me a call. Go to the website, www.acmlocksmith.group. I'll tell you what to send me, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. That's about it. Now, those of you that call me wondering why people in your area don't do this type of work, this is not in our books. This is something you have to have special training to go do. Then you have to have special equipment. So not everybody's going to be able to do this. This is, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say this is probably work-wise difficulty, maybe up into the 8. So you definitely got to pay attention to what you're doing and know what you're doing. So if you need my help, you need me to get you back up and running, this is what I do. Again, I don't need no keys. I have keys. I have chips. If you want to buy keys off online and stuff like that, I won't be able to guarantee those keys. Just keep that in mind, because if you buy keys that got the wrong chips in them, I won't be able to use them anyway. So I usually use my keys. When I quote you prices, it's going to be my keys, my chips, everything, the whole shebang, and that's it. Again, website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. I appreciate y'all. Y'all like my videos, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.